This one comes from Kathy in New York, and it was titled Splash Mountain. So Kathy says, because of mobility, I use an ECV and will I enter the ride, Splash Mountain, with everyone else, or will I enter at the exit? If I enter at the main way and transfer to a wheelchair, are there any stairs or hills inside the beginning of the ride? Thank you. Kathy, this is really good timing because a year ago I really probably couldn't have told you much about ECVs and how they work at Disney, but the last 2 trips I've been having to use an ECV because of some hip surgery I had, so I'm having to use an ECV. Getting where I almost don't have to anymore, so I'm hoping that next trip I won't have to. But how the ECVs work, on most rides you just go through the regular line, the queue. You go through the regular queue right up to the... Now, Big Thunder Mountain and Splash Mountain, I know there may be others, but I know those for sure work a little differently. At Big Thunder Mountain and Splash Mountain, first thing you do is go to the Fast Pass area and say, where do I go with my ECV? And they will direct you to the exit. So the exit, you go in the exit, and there will be a cast member there that will help you. They'll show you where to park your ECV, and then they'll take you into the ride. You'll be right there close to the loading dock. Right there at the loading dock. At Big Thunder Mountain, it was like 30 steps, and you were on the train. At Splash Mountain, you can also ride your ECV right up to the loading dock if you need to. You can either leave it at the exit or ride it right up to the loading dock. Get out, get on the trains or in the logs right there at the loading area. So you go to the Fast Pass location, go up to the exit, the cast member, they'll help you get on, and they'll take care of your ECV, and it'll be parked at the exit when you come back off. The rest of the rides around the park, it's all different. I know we rode through, I didn't ride it on Flights of Wonder because we had a Fast Pass, but I did take it on Rivers of Light. I've taken it up to, I don't think I took it into, no, I didn't take it into the Frozen ride. But most of the rides, it's very simple. You just ride it right in, and they'll take care of it. They'll help you. You ride it through the queue in line on most of them. So it doesn't give you any advantage except on a few rides. Some, like Splash Mountain, Big Thunder Mountain, it does give you an advantage time-wise. But for most rides, but the bottom line is go to the Fast Pass location, talk to a cast member. They'll take care of you, even on every ride. Every ride. That's the way you do it.
Thanks so much for watching Dad's video. For more simple, fun, magic Walt Disney World information, go to Dad's Guide to WDW.com. You can do that by clicking the I button that's popping up on the screen right now. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel and get more Dad's YouTube videos with Daditude.